So, yesterday was February 1st, 2026, Sunday, and it's been a week since we got hit with that winter storm last Sunday, which was the 25th, and we were expected to get hit with this bomb cyclone blizzard, which was supposed to happen yesterday, where we would get all the snow and wind. Well, guess what? We got lucked out from that blizzard that was supposed to hit us. We lucked out from the bomb cyclone blizzard, which was expected to become a nor'easter and hit us and bring a lot more snow, topping it over the snow we already had from last week, like the leftover snow. So this is not from the cyclone, this is the same snow we had since last week. If we got hit with that blizzard, forget it. This area would be obliterated with snow right now. We would just be mobbed with snow. A lot more snow. It would have been topping over the snow we got last week. It would have been a huge mess right now. So thank goodness we lucked out for that one. It was a little windy here yesterday, but nothing too serious. But it is still very cold out as we continue to work our way through this cold wave. And we actually set a new record here for another cold wave. And it's definitely up there with the December 2017 and January 2018 cold wave that happened during the holiday break, where it was under 32 degrees. So this has been a prolonged cold wave, just like in 2017-18 winter, which happened before the bomb cyclone blizzard in January 2018. Yeah, we almost had a storm just like Grayson, the January 2018 blizzard and the January 2022 blizzard. We almost had a storm just as bad as those two. It would have been a lot worse right now if we got hit with this blizzard, but thankfully that wasn't the case. Right now we're just dealing with this cold wave and the snow that won't go away from last week's winter storm because it's so cold out. But hopefully we will see a warmer very soon. And I also heard that the groundhog saw a shadow today. And today's Groundhog's Day, Monday, February 2nd, 2026. And that means 6 more weeks of winter. But hopefully we could still see some improvement with this weather. And hopefully we can at least get temperatures above freezing. Hopefully. Sorry, the light just turned off, and yeah, we got lucked out from that bomb cyclone blizzard, but sadly the Carolinas are a mess right now. They got like 22 inches of snow. It's really bad down there right now, and they're not prepared for stuff like this like we are here in New York, where we have like over 500 snowplows, and they have less than what we have when it comes to snow preps. They just got hit badly. They're trapped right now. We got spared, but they didn't, sadly. I feel really bad for people down south who are not as prepared for snowstorms like we are. Like, we know what to do because we're up north, but they don't, sadly. There are just some places that are not prepared for snowstorms, like places like New York. Yeah, and we continue in this cold wave. It's very dangerous out there right now. You guys gotta stay safe. Make sure you have your preps with you and stuff. So yeah, we got lucked out from the blizzard, but the prayers go out to those who were hit by the recent blizzard, the bomb cyclone that we ended up missing. And I guess that's it. Bye.